The day had finally come, the day His Way Christian Ministries had been eagerly waiting for. Months of preparation, anticipation, and excitement had all led to this moment, a time for children and families to come together to share in fellowship, fun, and the joy of exploration. This was more than just a trip. The destination? The charming seaside town of Skegness, United Kingdom. Before we set off, our leaders provided strict instructions ensuring that the convoy of cars would travel safely and in an orderly manner. The sense of anticipation was palpable as families prepared for the 2.5-hour journey ahead. Excitement filled the air, and with a final prayer for safety, the convoy began its journey to Skegness.
Don't overtake, it's the one that is leading. Okay. I'll be at the back, totally.
Alright, sir.
Clear instructions.
As we journeyed towards Skegness, the beauty of the English countryside unfolded before us. The rolling hills, vast fields, and quaint villages made the drive an experience in itself. We paused for a short break to stretch our legs and take in the surroundings, opportunity to appreciate the journey as much as the destination.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
Hi.
Hello, everyone!
Hi. Hello.
Hi!
You're right.
Hello.
Hey! Hi!
Vlog, say hi to me.
Upon our arrival in Skegness, the excitement reached a new level. The sea breeze greeted us, and the promise of adventure was in the air. Families were eager to explore, and we wasted no time in heading to one of Skegness's most famous attractions, Skegness Pier. The pier was a hive of activity, with games, rides, and endless fun for everyone. Children played alongside their families, creating memories that would stay with them forever. As the day progressed, the energy and enthusiasm never waned, but eventually it was time to head to our accommodation and settle in for the night. It was time to call it a day. The journey, coupled with the excitement of the pier, had taken its toll, but as we rested, we were already looking forward to what the next day would bring. Day 2 dawned with a renewed sense of excitement. Everyone seemed refreshed and ready for more. Before setting out, we took the time to capture the thoughts and reflections of our group, what they enjoyed the most about the first day, and their hopes for the adventure ahead.
How was the night? How was the first night for Skegness?
Yeah, what I observe is in a very long time, I woke up in UK at 9 a.m. That has happened about 2 years ago. So I really enjoyed the night and I rested very well. It's a good place for children to come as well. I never regretted coming here. So I want to say a big thank you to His Way Christian Ministries.
Well, it was okay. Even though it was a little bit stressful, being the first night to find our caravan there. But at the end of the day, we were okay.
It was great. It was nice. I really enjoyed it. So I think we're having our fun today.
It's okay, but I was a bit scared because I don't know why the bed sheets were black, and I got a bit scared. I was like, "Oh, is it clean?" Okay.
Yeah, I think it's quite. It's a lovely experience. I'm talking about coming from the way we came, maybe getting things arranged and everything. It looks to be, honestly, it looks to be hectic. But when you look at, the overall result of it, having time to rest at the end of the day, after everybody has settled, you are calm, you ask everyone says, yeah, it's a nice experience. I mean, there is nothing else you are looking for, for people to enjoy what has been packaged. So for me, it's a great experience.
How was the journey from was it tiring?
It wasn't. Maybe because we are moving in convoy, it wasn't tiring at all. And it's a good experience for most of our ladies that have been having concern about going on motorways. They were able to do that for several kilometers and nothing happened. So it has actually encouraged them that they can do it. and I was behind all the cars, and I saw the way they were driving, and they did very well.
oh, oh well, I think I enjoyed it, but initially I wasn't want to go on the motorway, Yeah, because I'm motorway phobia. But at the end of the day, we go around it, and then it was fine.
It was smooth and short journey. So, as we are coming as a family, so I think it was more lovely and we just having fun when we're coming always. If you ask me.
It was alright. Like, people are kind of nice. It was fun.
It was okay.
Well, the journey was quite okay. It was, well, fortunately, as a family, we came here before, just on our own, and that one has given us the kind of thing we would expect here. Though it is when we came here that we were able to get, everything that is packaged here. But honestly, it's a great experience. The journey here was smooth. The convoy, everything was just great. Even for those who drove, everybody, probably because we moved as a group, nobody complained about the distance. So I think it's quite okay.
And do you have any plans for today? Anything in particular looking forward to? I think I brought my swimming costume, so I think I want to go swimming because it's nice.
I think we are going to the town centre to have fun as we did yesterday. So I think we have rested a bit. So I think we are going to have fun for the rest of the day. We're coming back at 9 o'clock. So
yeah, we still have a lot of activities to involve in. We're still going out, to have fun. I think we still have Fantasyland to go. We still have Skegness Pier. We've not been to the beach. So we still have a lot of fun to catch for the remaining time we have.
Go to the pool.
Anything else?
Oh, we still have a whole lot of things to do. Like today, there are some areas we are yet to explore. We have Fantasyland there, which of course we are thinking of going there tomorrow, because there we are going to spend more or less the whole day before we go back. But today we are looking at getting to the piers. We are looking at Tower Gardens, having some time of relaxation there. We are thinking of getting to the aquarium. We are thinking. There are a long list of things that we have for today, and honestly, is a fun-packed activities that we have for today, and I believe everybody's looking forward to it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
you're welcome. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Day 2 brought even more fun as we explored parts of Skegness Pier that we hadn't seen on the first day. The children were in their element, enjoying ice cream and cold drinks under the warm sun, blasting in the rides and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. For some, the beach called, offering stunning natural views. Day 3 began with familiar enthusiasm. Interviews revealed that the energy of the group was still as vibrant as ever, and the day promised yet another adventure.
How are you finding Skegness?
Good. Amazing.
I'm finding it really fun, and I really love it. It's great to see an opportunity to gather around together and spend a beautiful time here.
Mo like ẹ eléyìí ló pè ní I enjoy. Mo like ẹ gan. Ó fine. Bá a ṣe wá síbí ó fine gan, ó dùn mọ́ wa nínú. A kó àwọn ọmọ wa, láwa náà wá gbádùn ara wa lára. Ọlọ́run dára sí wa.
Before coming here, my impression about Skegness was it wasn't so popular, to be honest. But I think I've actually liked it. The second day was probably the best, and I'm hoping today, which is the third, is much better. But yeah, I'm loving it in Skegness, and yeah, I'm really grateful for this opportunity by His Way Christian Ministries.
Is there anything else that you wanted to do or you've already done that you really like?
I already like the way we played on the swing and also with my sister.
So would you want to come back here again?
Yeah. We're coming back on next summer to play the games again.
Okay, well thank you very much, Laura. You can go back to your swing now. And would you say that it's definitely somewhere that you'd come again or recommend?
Oh, definitely. I would recommend, and I would actually like us to go again in the group. So because the togetherness creates this kind of environment, this positive environment, and I think it's lovely for every kind of community. So try to do things together more and be happy.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Is there anything in particular that you enjoyed the most here so far?
I really enjoyed everything, but what I enjoyed the most is when we all come together to like have fun, play together, we stay together, we join together and connect together.
And is there anything else that you're looking forward to doing?
Looking forward to more of these trips again. Maybe like next year, like more times to come.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Tí wọ́n ṣe fi ara wọn jẹ́, tí wọ́n sì ní ìfẹ́ láti kó gbogbo orí tó wà níbí yìí. Bá a bá ní ká ṣe ní ìjà lé ní 30, Ọlọ́run náà á túbọ̀ máa tó kù síwájú. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ náà ẹ̀ ṣoríire o, ẹ̀yin náà kú sẹ́, ẹ kò fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú màmá àti bàbá, á dára fún yín o, ẹ̀yin náà yìí láyé. Bàtà yìí náà bá dá bí o tọ́ dára, Ọlọ́run máa ṣe tó yẹ yín yẹ lórí, Ọlọ́run máa ṣe fún yín. Jésù ẹ ṣe é.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma. Ẹ pè fún wa ma.
Is there anything in particular that you enjoyed, any of the activities that we did that you liked?
The amusement.
Is there anything that you'd like to do today that you're really excited for?
The swimming pool.
Well, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay.
What are you looking forward to today? Any activities in particular?
Yeah, from the organizers, I learned we are going to Fantasy Island or something like that. And from the way the name sounds, I know it's definitely going to be something. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Our first stop, the Skegness Aquarium, where the wonders of the ocean awaited. The aquarium was a magical experience for the children. Their eyes sparkled with wonder as they explored the underwater world. The Jurassic section, with its lifelike displays, added to the excitement, and for a moment, time seemed to stand still as they immersed themselves in the experience. But as all good things, our trip too had to come to an end. As we embarked on the journey home, we carried with us the memories of 3 incredible days filled with laughter, exploration, and the warmth of a community. The trip to Skegness had been everything we'd hoped for and more, a true testament to the strength and unity of His Way Christian Ministries.
I'm talking about a sister, a lovely sister. She's a very lovely sister of mine. Thank you so much. Always looking out for others. She's so lovely. She wants to know all your whereabouts, what you are doing, how you are feeling. She's so lovely. Thank you for coming back.
Hi, I'm passing the phone to a very young, beautiful beautiful young lady who is ready to explore life.
Thank you.